Hello everyone, Shravan Mantri here. We are solving Hackerrank problems. We are solving the problems in the subdomain warm-up. You can get the problem link in the description. One more, we'll try to write the code it in Python. We can get the answer in one line. Okay, I'll try to write it here. First of all, in order to get the maximum, how to get the maximum? So in Python, you have directly a method available max. So get the maximum element in the given list. The list name is candles. Maximum element. Find maximum among all this. So maximum is 7. You will get 7 here. And the 7 3 times. It is here 7, here, here. So the answer will test cases. So like this easily you can make it.